In this video, I will show you how to enable nicknames in Facebook group. So simply open up Facebook, then open up the group. From here, you can see write something where you post, right? Right beside it, you can see a profile icon. Simply click on it. Here you can see your profile and create a nickname. Simply click on create a nickname. From here, you can simply take this available nickname or simply click on customize. Here you can simply write whichever nickname that you like. Just make sure that the tick mark appears. After that, simply click on create. And that's it. From now on, whatever you post or whatever you share in this group will be shared under the Cherry Goose name or whatever nickname that you simply put in. Just ensure one thing, that admin will still be able to see your real profile. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.